Okay.
Because Max thought it was a better idea and everybody else agrees, so I thought, okay. Alright, let's go.
They have a side.
Wait, for
They have a Genji.
Hanzo. Yeah.
Is everybody here? What's going on?
Yeah.
I think they went right side.
yeah, right there.
And then they're going right.
Sonicking right. They have a Pharah.
Yeah, the right side.
Rotate.
Run Discord. Or Discord's on me.
For me, help.
Where?
Bot charge. Maybe back off. That's not what I'm
The Mercy, get the Mercy?
Okay,
Oh,
now
we lost, we lost. I'm
reset.
gonna follow. Yeah, it was reset.
Yeah.
That's my bad, I kinda zoned out for that.
Okay, so they're not playing.
Objective lost.
That's okay.
Stop.
Damage boost engaged.
Now to strike.
Pokemon box solutions. Hanzo is probably close to ult because he's on fire. Pharah didn't do anything. I didn't see Ryan do anything either.
I'm gonna boost you up.
No, they're right in the power because I'm saying
Follow the Pharah, please.
Oh,
Thank you, 3-0. We're gonna shadow this fight.
yeah.
They are not projected.
Let me heal you. Don't go in, don't go in.
She's going.
Pulse half.
We're getting res. Call the res.
Okay.
I'm not on this last fight. We're all just split. We're all actually just split.
Fuck, dude. I think I'm staggering.
I'm gonna switch.
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna go back. Yeah, just die if you can or whatever.
I think group.
We're not gonna get that in time though.
No.
You're not.
Move. Just stop moving. Stop moving to the other side.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
They're more together. We're so split. They're gonna grab. They're gonna
Alright,
shadow.
just
They're gonna
grab
grab.
it.
Oh,
They're gonna have balls. They're all about balls. They've been using those to fight you. Why are we so?
I was.
Wait, who's there?
I was talking about it.
Guys, we still leave your shield.
You still have 5 volts. Okay, you have no DPS.
I'm saying my mic was muted.
Yeah.
You still have 5 volts. Okay.
We have no shield.
Still have 5 volts.
I need to turn up bad volume.
We have no shield still because they keep
My
getting.
mic was fucking muted.
A temporary setback.
Right, combo. Remember to damage boost the Hunter.
Yeah. Let me know, the hands let me know when you're gonna do it, yeah.
When I'm going to call our combo, you just damage.
I was left side, high ground.
Okay.
We're not attending any to the shield. Am I just
Combo. Ah fuck, we blocked it.
No.
Yeah, don't waste it.
Yeah, shadow.
You fucking used the shield right well on it. That was actually made.
My shield broke, that's why.
Oh
But Adam, man, you need to watch your health.
Dude, I can't do anything when the shield keeps breaking.
Yeah, but then you gotta retreat, man.
0 to 3. Switching sides.
Okay, so we did not get one. We did not get off one combo. Not one.
We didn't even.
It's okay.
No, that's fucking terrible, dude. That's like the whole point of our comp. To build Grave Dragon and then damage boost it, and we didn't pull it off once.
We go
We
again.
go again. We go again.
We go again. Do you wanna try dive?
I don't know.
Would you like to try dive?
In that case, Adam, I wanted to ask you if you wanted to try me playing Winston for a bit.
Yeah, go for it. My D was gonna charge cams, but
We play dive. We go again.
Alright. Now when we're playing dive, the short color is going to be the same.
yeah, you talking about.
If you can call your discords, I will decide when to engage and do a countdown on point initiation.
That's a good point, that's a good shout actually.
Don't expect much of my D this.
All that's playing in my head is a Black Panther thing.
Is that because you're black?
Oh, you filthy, dirty cunt! Oh,
Attack commences in
Oh, you
30
love it, you
seconds.
slut.
It is to fight
he's off the team.
alongside
He's off the team,
one of
Adam. He's off the team.
finest
Fuck him.
Fuck me, you go brains.
Big brains, big brains. 17 seconds, yeah.
いつでも来い
5, 4, 3,
Where we going? Where we going?
1.
Let's just go main.
Yeah, main and then jump on high ground. If they're on high ground, if not, we flank
Let's see
some
what
points and
position
then...
they have. Yeah,
they're on the back high ground. We got red side.
If you can do a Discord on Zenyatta.
They have a sim.
They have a Zenyatta.
I'm almost in, I'm almost in.
Or Hanzo, that can work too.
Come back a little bit, Adam. Yeah,
Sim Telly left side.
Then Discord top, then Discord top.
Call the dive, man.
Okay, engage.
Too late,
1,
too late.
2, 3.
Run Discord some points.
Zenyatta.
I'm resting the Genji. I'm out.
There's one. Probably come up.
You need to get that TP, guys, right on the point. No one's got it.
Or killed 3, come on.
Yeah, but they have got TP as a thing.
Our enemies return.
They got TP? What?
Yeah, right on the point. It's just right in the middle of the point. No one got it. So they're all back now.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Wait, what? No.
I can't even get back.
They don't get TP from spawn.
Alright, go back. I don't want anyone dying. If you die, go back to the boat.
Adam, when you, why didn't you fly in behind us? Why were you walking on the right side?
No, I fell. I got pushed off.
Alright, sorry. Come here. Fabio.
I need D.Va to heal, so I can walk in. Can I
Okay,
get
go
in?
here?
I
Yeah.
can go now.
If you can, get a Discord
Do this if you need healing really
The Hanzo's
badly, yeah?
discorded.
He's in that shatter. Okay,
Go right,
right.
get in a position.
Right, go. I'm missing.
Hanzo.
Then Discord, then dead. Zara Discord.
Right, it's TP, like, literally right there. Like,
Yeah, I'm staying mini diva.
Huge. Mercy's still alive.
start killing herself.
Wait, why do you care so much about TP? It doesn't do anything.
No, because they're all coming through it.
Yeah, but they're all dead. They were all dead.
But that's why I'm worrying.
No, they don't get
It
TP
doesn't
from
come from
spawn.
spawn.
It's the new TP. It's the like movement TP.
Oh, I thought it came from spawn.
No,
No.
Oh.
it's just movement.
Get on off.
Alright. Sin, just be a bit louder about your Discord callouts.
What
Couldn't really hear
louder?
what you were saying. Yeah, louder. I couldn't hear what you were
Should I
saying.
come back? Yeah.
Then Discord, close chance.
Chance.
Okay.
Let them use the roads. Let them use the roads.
Okay, disengage. Disengage.
He's not.
Get back.
Oh no, we're all alive. We could.
Yeah.
No,
No, come
no,
back.
I'm
They're
dying.
using ults. So let's go back. They used 2 ults in
Yeah,
that
that's fine.
fight.
That's
They
fine.
got
That's fine.
nothing.
That's fine.
Well, they got me.
Well, they got 1 person. Yeah.
Zara still Discord. Zara not personal.
Okay. We're
Yeah,
here.
you
We're here. We're here.
Wanna cool one.
I require medical attention.
I'm like,
we go in?
get one more
We go in?
Discord off.
Zara
Right,
Discord.
guys, group.
Right,
Zara
one key.
rejected.
Right, get the Rhine, and I'm gonna find the.
Mercy Discord. Mercy Discord in the back.
They're going back. Guys, get the payload.
We need to kill Rhine, guys. If we kill Rhine, I can bomb.
Oh no.
Just stand.
Come back, no, come back, it's fine, just come back.
Reset if possible. Okay, we have neck again. Run up, Discord.
Get him, he's out of position, guys, fuck him up.
Yeah, okay, nice, we can go. Hanzo Discord.
Focus on.
Use ultimate, please.
Zara.
I'm initiating.
No
Then
more.
Discord, then dead.
No more.
Mercy.
Keep going.
Yeah, you can go, I push payload.
I understand.
You push.
Rhine.
Genji, push.
It's a one fight.
Yeah, push. Build like ult and stuff.
No, I have ult.
I'm resing.
We're feeding.
But you can secure kills.
Fall back.
Come on.
Sorry, is literally one.
I can't res, use res, ready?
Okay, we're gonna lose this fight. Just lose. Doesn't matter.
Reset, guys, just reset. Go there. Come back.
Yeah.
He's out there.
They probably have combos. So if I trance in the graph here, someone has to like be out of position so they can kill Mercy or Hanzo, so we can survive the graph, right?
Israeli.
So,
They're going yet.
most likely Genji. You can just use Blade to kill Hanzo or Mercy, so we live through the graph with the combos.
Hey Mercy, can you damage boost me?
Who are you?
Yeah, engage point. Zen Discord. What's trance?
They're all on high ground. Get out. Finish down.
Oh no.
Guys, these are the all slow.
It wasn't worth it using Transcendence there.
No, I said I will transcend if they graph dragon us. If someone like is out of position, so they can kill the Hanzo and the Mercy.
Oh shit.
I will always transfer like a graph dragon, always.
They're high ground, guys. They're all high
Well,
ground.
So we have the chance to like get the Mercy or
High
the
ground
Hanzo.
left.
Okay. Discord Hanzo.
Right, guys,
What?
get some fight.
What?
Is our destiny, but we must
Dude, I got all tapped. I'm getting all tapped all the time.
Dude, we're diving when I'm not even in mech.
Right, go high ground, guys. Just go high ground, all of us. And just go from there.
Zenith is coded. His armor.
Right, that makes sense. 3, 2, 1.
Brig is on payload.
Break. Collect, go.
Break one.
Guys, payload. Maybe I'm good at it.
Adversity is an opportunity for change.